Hi guys, welcome to the Foreign Buyers Club. My name is George and today I'm going to be going through the reasons why I've chosen a 340i Touring and why Alex behind the camera chose a 240i. Let me take you through some of the reasons why I chose a 340i Touring rather than a saloon or a different car. Come with me. The reason I chose the 340i Touring instead of a saloon or any other car is because the 340i Touring version allows me to have the day-to-day flexibility, luggage space, camera space, all this kind of stuff that helps me in a day-to-day life, but is also blessed with a B58 engine which you can take on a B-road and just have a lot of fun. Same thing as the 240i over there, but that one comes in a much more compact package. Granted, it might be a bit better in corners and throwing the car around, but you lose a lot of practicality with it. So that's the main two reasons why we chose these cars. Both of these cars, being the 40i models, they both come with a B58 engine, which is a straight 6 3-litre engine with a single turbo. Brilliant for delivering power and for future upgrades. Although both of these cars have the same engine and the same layout basically, my 340i is equipped with a MPPSK package, which comes with a bit more power and a really nice exhaust. This makes up for the heavier platform compared to the 240i. I think the 340i is slightly heavier with 50 to 100 kg heavier, which does make up for the 30-40 extra horsepower that it has. The 240i there comes as a standard with 325 on paper, but as we all know, the BMWs usually rank a bit higher on the dynos. It does not have any performance exhaust. It still sounds good, still a fun car, and Alex behind the camera has quite a few fun plans for it. As previously mentioned, my 340i comes with the M Performance exhaust, which is basically straight piped from the cap down, and it comes like that from factory. And being a 2017 model, it doesn't have the OPF filter, which makes the sound quite a bit more pronounced. The 240i over there is the 2018 model, which is the year the OPF filters have been introduced. This means the sound is a bit more muffled, more filtered, and also it doesn't come with the M Performance exhaust, which at first we didn't think would make much of a difference, but when I bought my car almost a year after Alex bought his 240i and we tested them out, it makes a huge difference. Given the price of these cars, they are the best choice you can have as an enthusiast. This is because they handle really well, they perform like a mini M car, and they're really easy to live with on a daily basis. This was a quick rundown on both of our cars. You're going to see them more on our channel, POVs, all kinds of videos. Stay tuned and I'll see you next time.